The farm families of Cabot Cooperative are happy to be stuck in Vermont. Welcome to Stuck in Vermont, brought to you by 7 Days. My name's Ava Sahlberger. We're here in Winooski at Myers Pool for Camp Splash. The Greater Burlington YMCA has teamed up with Fletcher Allen Healthcare to provide free swimming lessons to young Winooski residents this summer, and 100 of these swimmers are new Americans.
We're surrounded by water, whether it be this pool in Winooski, backyard pools, Winooski River, other rivers, and then obviously the big one being Lake Champlain. And we don't want to see kids hanging out with each other being like, oh yeah, I can swim, and that's when accidents happen, when they're not strong swimmers.
Do you like to swim in the water?
I like getting in the water.
They're really happy.
It just cools you down on a very hot day like today.
At first, the little one did not want to get in the water. He was really hesitant. When he saw his peers doing it, he was like, I want to do it. So it's awesome seeing them get familiar with the water.
Because it's fun.
It's fun. Swimming's fun.
Yeah. It gives you time to meet other people. And we're learning how to float.
We have kids who come here at noon for open swim and don't leave till 7 at night. That's 7 hours of physical activity, which in this day and age is critical for children.
Did you know how to swim in the game? No. No.
So today we had our second day of a 3-day Camp Splash program. The program's designed for a few different focuses. The first one, water safety.
I brought them here because it's safe.
So we need to make sure we're swimming where we feel safe.
We come to Camp Splash because I do not know how to swim, and I wanted my kids to learn how to swim.
So you're gonna move your arms in like you're clapping and then push out. And so today we did our treading water skills, floating on the back a little bit, swimming, learning that swimming on our back is a resting stroke. If we get tired, we can just turn onto our back and do our back float. Do you want to try first? Some front crawl, some breaststroke, things like that, just so that way they can feel comfortable and know how to swim and have fun with their friends.
With the recent drowning deaths in Vermont, water safety is more important than ever.
If you be safe in the water, that means that you don't drown. So you can go swimming in deep lakes if you ever fall off a boat.
So we go fishing, and I've always been scared about them falling in, so I think it's a good life skill to have.
You can die in the water. Water is dangerous and drown.
It's too easy for children to drown in the water. It only takes 10 seconds for a person to drown in the water.
I'm very thankful for Jess, the instructor, because she changes lives, because if it wasn't for her, I'm sure a lot of kids would drown because they don't know how to swim, so I'm very glad she takes her time to do that, and it makes me proud knowing that they're learning a life skill that I don't know how to do.
We find that a lot of the cultures here in Winooski as well as Burlington aren't familiar with swimming, whether that's lack of exposure because they didn't have some great lakes and rivers like we have here.
It's very important to me because I don't know how to swim. I grew up in the country where it was like in a small village with a big beach, but so many crocodiles, snake in it. We couldn't make it. I don't know how to swim. I really want to learn for myself too, but I really want them to learn for safety.
So we find that it's very, very important in this community to break that cycle and make sure that these kids are at least learning how to be safe around the water, and then with the hopes that they're going to love it enough to really become swimmers.
Well, Y Swim lessons are not just about technique and learning how to swim. We also teach water safety, boat safety, and we also make sure that there's time for fun.
It makes me very proud to see them progress and have a good time.
I believe that parents should give their children opportunities to learn how to swim. The Y has a scholarship program. We never turn anyone away.
Swimming is a lifelong skill, much like riding a bicycle. So once you learn how to do it, you'll never forget.
Have you seen the ocean on your skin? You feel sunlight from within. Can you smell the flowers in the air? Where are you going? Where are you going?
job. I'll see you guys tomorrow, right?
Couldn't have much nicer weather to be in the pool. We'll get stuck with you again real soon.
I'm gonna see it when I get home.
Just arrange some unsalted or whole grain saltine crackers on a plate and top each with a teaspoon of marinara sauce. Add some healthy toppings like cooked broccoli, shredded cooked chicken, slivered turkey pepperoni, or crushed pineapple. Finish with a sprinkle of your favorite Cabot, regular, or reduced fat cheddar. Pop them in the microwave just until the cheese is melted, about 10 seconds for 4 crackers.